In the lecture, I'm going to find the general solution of this differential equation. So let's see the answer. So first here, writing the given. The given is dy by dx. It's equal to 1 plus x plus y xy. Now the next is here. We need to do the little modification. So here 1 plus x, and between these twos y is the common. Take that, then you can get here 1 plus x. Now you can see 1 plus x and 1 plus x is the common, and here 1 is the hidden. So that we can write dy by dx 1 plus x taking the common, then you can here this place 1 left and this place y left. So dy by dx equal to 1 plus x into 1 by x. And after that the next is dy by dx. So y part that I'm moving on the one side, so here 1 by y, and this is now 1 plus x dx. After that you need to do here integrating on the both side. So doing the integration on the both side. So you should write here integrating both sides. So here we can write dy, then 1 plus y, and this is now 1 plus x dx. So the next is, there is one more line going to write. So here this is now dy by dx, dy by 1 plus y, and this I'm going to do the separation. So this is now dx and here x dx. So here integration of dy 1 by y, that is equal to log 1 plus y. Then after the next is dx different integration dx integration x and x integration x square by 2, and c is the constant. So I think this is the final answer of this differential equation. So this is the general solution of this differential equation. So one time going to repeat. Okay, so here you need to write the given, and your intention must be to separate y part in one place and x part on the another place. So that there I have taken the common y, and after that here doing the separation. So taking the here y part on the one place and x part on the another place. The next is you need to do the integration on the both side. So 1 by dy 1 by y integration log 1 plus y, and here dx integration x and x integration x square by 2, and c is the arbitrary constant. So this is the general solution of this differential equation. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See next video. Thank you.